All right, hope you all are doing well. So, what do I have for you today? Now, you're going to sit there and say, well, this is an EDC channel. What the heck are we doing with sewing stuff? Well, in the last probably 6-7 months, I've learned how to use the sewing machine a little bit. Still need some help with that. Don't know how to rig it up or anything, but I did sew a knife pouch. And after modifying this pouch, and after modifying it, having to hand stitch it to repair the issue I caused, I decided to not borrow slash steal from my wife her seam rippers to make sure they go in the pouches so I have them with. I got a package of seam rippers off of Amazon, and I think it was under $5, and it is actually a pretty cool kit. But the reason I did that is my original Cup B pouch Zero Feud had both sides that were full pockets. This one had stitching that was splitting the pocket. So I kind of saw that it didn't go all the way through to the front. So I took a toothpick knife to break the stitches, or to cut the stitches. Well, of course, as you can see, the knife went into the pouch, so I had to do some repairs. And I hand stitched that because I didn't want to use the sewing machine and end up, closing this pocket off. So I decided to get the proper tools to actually do this. Now, like I said, this was under $5. I think it was actually $4. And these will kind of sit at home, these larger ones. But I got 2 smaller seam rippers. And then why did they do this? Because they could. And look at those nice mods. And just because I did the mods, I used that blade that I struggle with. So then not only that, I got this bonus little clippers. Which is actually, as long as they clip thread, they're actually pretty nice. So yeah, you just, little seam rippers. Well, not a huge need. I mean, when we were on our cruise and I had to fix our cruise bag with hand stitching, it might have been better off just to rip the seams that remained and start over. But yeah, I think these will come in really handy. And in my travel pouch, like my first aid slash sewing kit, I will throw one of these in there. And they're just kind of one of those things you wouldn't really think of, like a needle and thread. Initially, you wouldn't really think of, but they'll come in handy. They're not going to be in everyday use, but it's kind of one of those things, when you need it, you need it. So it's better to have it. And in my case, it would have saved a little repair on that. But now this is a story, but it's all good. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. I'll put a link to this down in the description. It'll be an Amazon affiliate. If you like what you're seeing, like, subscribe. Love to see lots of more people subscribe. And there's the whole coffee thing if you're interested. But hope you enjoyed. Take care. Have a good one.